What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another freaking video. So I know I look a little crazy because like this cap is kind of blended in with the shower curtain and everything, but as you can already tell by the title, this is going to be a the bald cap method, which I don't think is really that new. I think it's just new to me, and I saw a video and I was like, oh, I'm about to put this wig on, so why not try the bald cap method? So I started spraying the Got to Be glue around my edges, only because like I have a low edge line or whatever, because my edges come like literally come down to like here, and I feel like with the frontal, like you just have to make sure everything is laid, honey, and I can't have like my regular edges out kind of blending in with the frontal edges because like it just doesn't match, because it's not like I have a perm on my edges and they just gonna lay. Like I do have on my stocking cap. It's this one. Yeah, this is probably a little bit too light, but it's okay because I'm gonna get my foundation and we'll like blend it all in. So all you have to do is just like spray your edges and just brush it away. I use like an old toothbrush. This is like my edge toothbrush, you know, from back in the day when y'all used to use toothbrushes to do your edges and all that good stuff. So I use both sides. I use this side and then I use the back side to like flatten it out. But this side I used to like brush it back and everything. And then you're just gonna take your Got to Be spray and just then you're gonna put the blow dryer on. I put it on low and cool. But all you're gonna do is just pull it as tight as you can and pull it over. Ooh, that was an accident. Pull it over like this. So right now I just put the wig on just so I can see like where I want to put, because I don't want it to look like too wiggy, you know. And honestly, this came pre-plucked, so there's not much I had to do with it because it was already like done for the most part. But I just don't want it looking too wiggy, so I'm just going through and like, you know, thinning it out a little bit like on the frontal. Because honestly, you guys, I want this to look like as natural as possible. In the camera, this looks like seaweed green, honey. And then I'm also gonna like cut like by my ear so it won't be hanging and dangling and stuff. So I'm gonna leave that side alone for now. I'm gonna come over to the other side. I think that is good enough. You don't want to put too much, otherwise you're gonna have a bald frontal. This is all I took out so far. I'm pretty sure you could probably get more, but I'm not gonna do that right now, only because like it's not like on yet. I gotta see like how it's gonna be on, and we'll go from there. But right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut where I feel like it should be cut, which is right above my ear. So honestly, I don't know like how long or how many layers of spray is supposed to do, but because I plan on wearing mine for like a long time, I am gonna go through and spray it again, and then once it's completely dry, I'm gonna show you guys where I start to cut it. And mind you, this is my first time doing this too, so like we doing this together for the first time. So I went to go get some of this because I don't know, I just felt like maybe it's just like a conscious thing, but I felt like it wasn't sticking enough. So I'm just gonna get a little bit and pretty much put it the same place that I put the spray, just to make sure that it's gonna be down, you feel me? Wow, I just broke it. Okay, you guys, I feel like I've waited long enough, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try putting the wig on. I'm gonna actually cut the lace this time. So I may have to cut the cap back some, and again I may not have to because I still haven't like matched it with my color. So what I'm gonna do now is like the extra lace that's hanging, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. See, because all of this right here is just too much that we do not need. So this is what it looks like. Don't mind this. This is just dried up spray that I'm gonna wipe up. Now this part over here is gonna be a little bit tricky. There's a lot of lace here on this side. This is my war cry. Okay, so the little scalp things at the bottom of this, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna have to play around with this side, but okay. And like after I had already made this wig, I saw something else that I could have did to make it look even more natural, but I had already made it, so we'll save that for another video. But right now I'm just gonna cut off the lace. I hope that's a good angle for y'all. If not, all the lace gone. Probably could do more up here, but it's looking already starting to stick, and I didn't even like put it down yet. So now you guys, all I have to do is like pretty much repluck, because everything that I did pluck I just cut off with the lace, but it's okay. So I haven't even like glued it down yet or anything. So you guys, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going, sorry. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am going to move this back a little so I can like officially lay it down. So I'm gonna lay it down, and then I'm gonna put a scarf on, and then once that dries up a little bit, then I'll do my edges and everything. Once you get it all nice and tacky or whatever, you're just gonna pull it down. Make sure you pull this. Actually, I'm gonna start on this side because this is the part that needs like the most work. And I always like to use my rat tail comb, this one, and just like press it down.
Wanna go bite me on the beat, bite me, on the beat, bite me. Wanna go bite me on the beat, bite me, bite me.